guys, welcome back to my channel. So ignore my hair. I really tried. I don't know what's going on, but hopefully it looks good throughout the video. And yeah, because I tried. I really tried. But today's video is going to be more of a holiday look. I'm going to try to do something a little different than I've normally done, and it's supposed to be pretty easy, but we'll see if I can make it happen. So I want to do a glittery eyeliner look, and I am going with the color green. As you can see, I have green on right now, and I'm trying to do like a green pretty eyeliner look and just a really pretty red lip maybe. So this would be a great look for Christmas. It's a nice holiday look, so hopefully you guys enjoy it and I don't look too crazy with so much green going on. So as you can see, I already have my base on, so I've already have my foundation. I also did my brows, and I did clean up my brows and my lid a little bit, but I do have to set it. As you can see, it has already creased because I haven't set anything. So we're gonna just go ahead and go off of that. So this video is mainly for just the eye look, and then I'm just going to do the rest of the face most likely off camera. We'll see. We'll see how I feel. But as of right now, let's just go ahead and get right into the eyes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just pat that in so it doesn't crease. And I'm gonna go ahead and set it. So I'm going to mainly use my Karity matte palette to do my entire eye. I'm going to try to keep it to one palette. I'm going to go ahead and use the color Coquet to go ahead and set my lids. This color is a little bit deeper than my skin color, just a little bit, so I actually wanted to put that all over my lid because I'm not putting too much eyeshadow. I want to mainly concentrate on the eyeliner. So I like the way that it looks right now. So to deepen this up just a little bit more, I'm going to go into the color Nimbus and put that all over my crease. And I'm just using a little bit, it like really deepen that up, and that's just with one coat. So you don't need much of it. And just deepen that up just a little bit. And I'm just extending it out just a little too. I'm going to go back into Coquet again and put that all over my lid again, just so that the color just shows up just a little bit more. So that's literally all I'm going to do for my shadow for the top. Now I'm going to go ahead and line my lids. So this is the main part. I'm going to use the Eyeko London Skinny Liner in black and go ahead and line my eyes. So I don't know if I lost any footage, but basically what I did was I used this and just gave like an outline of what I want the eyeliner to look like. And I'm just going to leave it like that. And I'm going to go in with eyeshadow, green eyeshadow, and fill that in. I'm going to go into this color Medusa and fill that in. I'm just going to use a flat brush like that and just go ahead and fill that outline in. And it's okay if the black is going to be seen because it's going to get all covered up with the glitter anyways. You could just line your whole lid with the black liner if you want and just put the glitter on top of that. But the reason I used a green eyeshadow as my liner is so that if I do have some missing parts, that green will just cover it up. So far I like how it looks. I'm going to go ahead and add the glitter, and this is the hard part because I don't have a green glitter liner. I actually have loose glitter for my lid, so we're going to have to kind of slowly work and get that together. I'm going to use this green right here. It's the color Emerald by NYX. So I'm going to use this NYX Glitter Primer to apply the glitter. So I'm just going to go ahead and use the same brush. So I'm just putting some glue on there. I'll just do one little area at a time. Oh, that looks so pretty already. Whew. I literally felt like I was holding my breath the entire time. But I think it turned out really nice. Oh, that's pretty. Alright, the other side. So I'm using the brush that I used to conceal my lid and my brows just to clean that up. And I'm just going to clean up the edge. It has a little bit of concealer left over on there. And I'm using that just to clean up my lid. Just a little bit. Not my lid, I'm sorry, my liner. The end of my liner. Just to sharpen it up just a little bit. And I got a little bit of green glitter up here, and I'm using that brush that I used earlier to put the color on the lid and just kind of brushing over it. This way I don't lose the color, but I can get rid of the green. I'm using that just to clean up the top. So that's pretty much it for the top lid. The liner is completely done, and that's pretty much what I wanted. I think it looks so pretty. But I'm going to go ahead and add lashes, and I do want to add lashes that have a thin lash band so that it doesn't like cover up the green, especially because my liner is not black. I don't want that lash band to be seen. So, but I also want a little bit of a flutter, but I also want this to be seen. So I'm going to go ahead and use these Ardell Foam Ink lashes in 811. I'm going to put those on and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so now that I have the lashes in, I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest of my face and then do my bottom lid. So for my concealer, I'm going to go ahead and use Tarte Shape Tape and Tan Sand. Now I'm going to bake my under eye with this Huda Beauty baking powder in Blondie. So before I do the rest of the baking, I'm going to go ahead and contour. Contour, I'm going to use this Loreal Infallible Longwear Shaping Stick in the color Expresso. And I'm going to go ahead and add some more baking to the rest of my face. That's enough baking for the under eye, so I'm going to go ahead and remove that. For blush, I'm going to use this Tarte blush in Quirky. Bring that all the way up to my hairline. I'm going to deepen my contour just a little bit with this E.L.F. contour palette. I'm going to use the darkest color. For highlight, I'm going to use this Farsali Jelly Bean highlight in Glazed. I do want to add a little highlight to my brow bones and my inner corner. So I'm going to go in with this Nomad highlighter in Stockholm Midnight Sun. Maybe I'll add a little bit more of this to my cheeks just to lighten it up. A little bit more. I know I'm going crazy with the highlight. I mean, it is for the holidays. You want to be lit. I'm going to go ahead and use the color Huntress for my bottom lid. Yeah, you just need a little bit. This palette is so pigmented. I love it. Like, that's one swipe and I feel like it's given me a good payout for color. Now I'm just going to put some mascara in my bottom lashes, and I'm going to use my Loreal Voluminous Butterfly Sculpt Mascara. Now that my eyes are done and everything else is done and I just need to put some lipstick on, I think I'm going to go with the color red because that's what I've kind of been picturing with this look. So let's try it and see how that looks. I'm going to go with this NYX Butter lipstick in the color Lifeguard. Okay, so I do like this lip color. This is pretty much what I pictured. This is perfect for a Christmas party. You have your green and your red, and originally I did want to do the whole lid with green glitter eyeshadow, but I figured I'll just go with a green liner and see how that looks. So I really like how this turned out. I can't stop looking at myself in the viewfinder because I'm like, oh, this is so pretty. I've never done a glitter liner before, so I really like this look, and it's definitely something I will do again in the future. I hope you guys like it. I really think that this is a great look for the holidays, so I hope you do try it. If you do, please leave me a comment below letting me know how it worked out for you, and you know, send me some pictures or something on Instagram. Follow me there, send me some pictures of your recreations if you do them. But this is such a pretty look, so definitely try it out. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you guys so much, and happy holidays. Bye. This looks so pretty. I hope stop looking down. Okay.